CrankWheel versus WebinarJam, which is better for demos. Let's break down both options to help you decide which one is truly better for showcasing your products or services through live demos. Stick around till the end, because I'll also introduce an alternative that could be a game changer for your demo experience. So, if you're looking for the right tool to handle product demos, CrankWheel and WebinarJam are both solid options, but they cater to slightly different needs. Let's start with CrankWheel. CrankWheel is all about simplicity. It's designed specifically for quick, interactive screen sharing during one-on-one or small group calls. You don't need to make an account to view a demo, which is a huge plus for customers who might be reluctant to sign up for something new just to see what you're offering. This makes CrankWheel perfect for quick, no-frills demos where ease of access is key. You share a unique link and boom, your customer can see your screen immediately. However, CrankWheel can feel a bit basic if you're looking for advanced features. It doesn't really support large-scale webinars or complex marketing integrations. The demo experience is seamless for smaller, intimate presentations, but if you want to engage with hundreds or thousands at once, you'll hit a wall. Next thing, let's talk about WebinarJam. WebinarJam shines in its ability to host large-scale webinars. This platform is designed for marketing professionals who need to create elaborate presentations with interactive features, including live chat, polls, and even the ability to add pre-recorded videos. The platform has extensive integration with tools like email marketing software, so you can nurture your leads before, during, and after the webinar. That said, while WebinarJam offers a lot in terms of features, it can be overwhelming if you're just looking to demo a product. It requires a bit more setup, and the user experience can be more complex, especially if you're new to webinars. So, while it's great for big events, it's not always the best tool for smaller, more focused demos. Now, let's get to the fourth thing, and this is where the competition heats up. We're talking about an alternative that combines the best of both worlds. Unlike CrankWheel, this alternative supports both intimate demos and large-scale presentations with ease. You'll have a seamless user experience, but also the advanced features needed for marketing automation and follow-up. This competitor offers excellent screen sharing options, but it also allows you to integrate with CRM systems, use custom branding, and even set up registration pages. It's a perfect blend of ease of use and powerful marketing tools, making it ideal for anyone who needs flexibility for both small demos and large-scale webinars. And to top it off, if you use the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, plus benefits that you won't find anywhere else. But don't worry, if you're set on CrankWheel or WebinarJam, I've also included free trials for those as well. I'm giving you the best options available, so you can choose what works best for your business. So, which is better for demos? Well, if you want simplicity and speed for small demos, CrankWheel is great. But if you're aiming to host more complex webinars or product presentations, WebinarJam is your friend. And if you want something that does both, the competitor I've mentioned will provide you with the flexibility to grow your demo experience. Don't forget to check out the links below for exclusive trials and perks.